In this tutorial, we will show you how to track and create employees' absence and availability. Let's navigate to the Workers tab and go into Availability. We can create an absence and look over the requests that have been made by the workers themselves. Click on Create Absence. From here, we can view all of our employees or categorize them by active and inactive. We can also select multiple employees at once from both categories. Please note that inactive employees are the ones that do not use the app. Status will be the reason of the absence, which can be the following: sick leave, vacation, unpaid leave, and paid leave. When done, click Confirm. Now let's go over the Absence Request feature. In this section, we will receive requests from employees for their absences. On the Info button, we can see pending requests and a list of other workers that are absent as well for that date range. We can accept the request or decline it. Let's go over the filters. We can quickly filter out the requests on these options, which are the date range, status, or specific employee. The app automatically calculates the remaining vacation days. Sick leave does not impact your available vacation days. To view the request, click on the request icon. On this button, we can create a note for the worker. Availability range note can be seen by the employee who made it and administration, while worker note admin only is visible to administration only. Here we can view the documentation that the employee has submitted for their sick leave. This can be added by administration as well. On this button, we can edit the date range and status of the absence. Finally, you can delete the entry. This will give back the vacation days. Once deleted, it cannot be undone. In case you need to make a report, feel free to export the data as an Excel file, which will display all data from the list. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or suggestions.